Hello dear friends, welcome back to your on YouTube channel Civil Engineer. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss one of the important type of cement, rapid hardening cement. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss rapid hardening cement, properties of rapid hardening cement and uses of rapid hardening cement. So if you want to know more about rapid hardening cement, please watch the video full and do not forget to like this video. Let's start today's discussion. Rapid hardening cement is special type of cement used in construction work when quick or rapid hardening or strengthening of concrete or masonry work is desired. The strength gaining process of rapid hardening cement is quicker and faster as compared to ordinary Portland cement. The strength gained by rapid hardening cement in 3 days is approximately equal to the strength gained by ordinary cement in 7 days. As we have discussed that in rapid hardening cement the strength gaining process is quick or fast, so it is also known as high early strength cement because the early strength of this cement is high as compared to ordinary Portland cement. Initial and final setting time of rapid hardening cement is almost equal to that of ordinary Portland cement. Like initial setting time of rapid hardening cement is about 30 minutes and final setting time is about 10 hours. Rapid hardening or early strengthening is accompanied with high heat of hydration. Therefore, rapid hardening cement is not suitable for mass concreting like dam construction work. The density of rapid hardening cement is less as compared to ordinary Portland cement. Curing period or watering period for rapid hardening cement is less than ordinary Portland cement. Like ordinary Portland cement, this cement should be also stored in dry places free from dampness and moistures. Now we will discuss some major uses of rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement is generally used when high early strength is desirable. When instead of prolonged gaining process of strengthening, it is desirable to achieve high early strength. Rapid hardening cement is best solution. As we have discussed that this cement gain strength early, so rapid hardening cement are suitable for emergency work where time is limited like road repair work. Rapid hardening cement are generally used for constructing road pavements. It is used for speeding up construction process. Shrinkage level during curing and hardening process is lower than that of ordinary Portland cement. So you can use rapid hardening cement in places where the level of shrinkage is limited. Rapid hardening cement shows considerable resistance against sulphate attacks and also upper resistance to other chemical attacks. So rapid hardening cement can be used in extreme conditions like vulnerable to sulfates or other chemical attacks. As we have discussed earlier that more heat up hydration is evolved from rapid hardening cement. So we can say that rapid hardening cements are most suitable for cold weather concreting. Rapid hardening cement gains strength quickly so palm work can be removed earlier. Rapid hardening cements are generally used in prefabricated concrete construction industries because molds can be removed quickly. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full. For more updated videos about civil engineering, please subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button along with bell icon to receive the notification of upcoming videos. And please do not forget to like this video. Thank you very much.